All right, last one for me, maybe the most exciting of the bunch, sticking with Apple for a second. My goodness, Will. This was, when we were talking peak Willie Doo the other day, this was probably the main reason we were talking peak Willie Doo, because he, behind the scenes, without telling me, had set up this device to arrive that is the coolest, most rare, most unique device, I think, in terms of smartphones that's ever shown up on a channel on Unbox Therapy. Shot the video. Go check out the video. It's either out right now or it's coming out very shortly on the Unbox Therapy channel. It is an unboxing of a limited edition, 1 of 9 customized iPhone 11 Pros that has a piece of Steve Jobs' actual turtleneck inside of the Apple logo embedded in there. This is some type of museum, some type of relic, some type of artifact. It was when he was wearing the next, he switched from Apple, got ousted, started another computer company, and started the trend of wearing the iconic black turtleneck all at this time. This little square piece of fabric is from an actual turtleneck that he wore that was sold at auction by an assistant of his right during that era. So pre-iPhone. But right in the, who knows, maybe he was already starting to imagine the eventual iPhone at that moment he was wearing that turtleneck. Who knows? It's crazy. Like when this thing showed up, I almost didn't believe it when I heard it. I'm like, they did what? So they took this cool artifact and found a way to encase it into an iPhone, which then became custom titanium and all kinds of other cool things, engravings. It's got Steve Jobs' signature engraved on it. Just an incredible piece of memorabilia that you can actually use because it also happens to be the latest iPhone. This company has, in fact, done it with a number of different artifacts. They're doing a similar device for Muhammad Ali, Joe Frazier, the Beatles. I believe in the future they're working on a Michael Jackson version. All of those are very cool, but this one to me is the most significant because it's got that extra storyline, that piece where the iPhone is the product with featuring the artifact from the individual who first imagined the iPhone. That's the connection which just pulls it fully together. It's very expensive. It's over $6,000. There are only 9 on planet Earth, but it's incredibly exciting. It was a very exciting video for us. Very exciting item. But I can't show you here because you got to go watch the full video. It's incredible. In the video, by the way, we actually do a comparison to the very first iPhone. So it's unbelievable. If the video is there right now, go watch it. If you go there and it's not there yet, it's coming in like an hour or two from the point at which you watched this video. So exciting times around here. Peak Willie Doo. Now you believe me, people out there in the world. You were like, yeah, okay, Willie Doo, peak, maybe. But then people had high expectations. They said, no, Willie Doo could probably take it higher. Some people thought that. Now they understand the actual altitude that Willie Doo is capable of reaching. Remember I was talking, you come through the bush, you're on that cliff, you're on that peak.
Yeah.
It's a high altitude over there.
Stratosphere.
You know what happens in the high altitude, Will? It becomes harder to breathe when you get up high. Just remember that when you're out there getting those free coffees. All right?
I have asthma.
That's it.